Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
ClickAgencyA.I review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about the software called ClickAgencyA.I. So this is the ClickAgencyA.I review, and right now we are on the sales page, and then we have the demo video which is for 80 minutes long. And you will find this demo video on the sales page too, so we'll get back to the demo video in a moment. Right now it says all-in-one AI. This is how you write the correct form of the long form. Artificial intelligence tech runs an entire video lead generation agency for you from scratch. Watch A.I. get clients, then create sales driving campaigns for you or them better than the best agency in the world automatically. Just enter keyword, and you will have to watch the demo video after this anyway. What this does is it creates a lot of things. I even forgot. It creates some video sales opt-in pages, video some kind of business cards. So you will see all that in the demo video. So it's an agency tool. Okay, now because even in the name it says click agency, now this clarifies at least one point to me, that this is not for newbies. Okay, if your agenda is only to buy something so that you can make money online with that without having an experience or tech skills, then this is not for you. This is for people who are either running some digital marketing business, they want to add this and they want to go and provide lead gen services to maybe their clients, or they want to sell this software, by getting the reseller license, I guess. So do check out the demo video, and then you will understand what exactly are you going to get out from this software. This is totally not for newbies. I'm telling you again, it is only for experienced freelancers, companies who are running the agency, or you have the tech knowledge and you are willing to get into the freelancing or this digital agency business. If then only go and get this after watching the video till the end. If you're a newbie and your end goal is only to make money on the internet, do not buy this. For making money online, you may check out these links below my video. First of all, subscribe and like, and then we have this link. The first one says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. Forex trading is currency trading, where you buy currency and you sell currency. So you can see here, this is the system which we're using. I will talk about this in the end in detail, what this thing is all about. Second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I'm doing right now, making YouTube videos, make money on YouTube without even selling anything, because when you are watching this YouTube video, in this YouTube video, you must have seen some ads. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, okay? We'll talk about everything in detail about these two links in the end. So subscribe and let's get back here. What else do we have? Sales page. I will not spend much time on the sales page. They are talking about all the features here only, and they're saying you can become some freelancer, and these are those dreams which will not be fulfilled for 99.9% people, but still watching dreams is free. So you will find the link of the sales page below my YouTube video. Here it will be saying grab ClickAgencyA.I copy. Here click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page. Then scroll the video scroll the sales page halfway through so that you can find the demo video. Let me see, where's the demo video? We are still not halfway through, so we have to scroll further, keep scrolling. There's the demo video. Okay, so you see here, maybe I can show you some glimpses. Can I maximize? I can. Okay, so here's the demo video. Once you log in, let me see, you have to enter the keyword. Okay, so for example, they will be creating some websites for piano services, piano classes, I guess. Okay, and AI writes all this content for you, and AI creates these videos for you too. And then what is this here? You can connect your autoresponder as usual, and then you have some links here. So you still have to come and spend your 8 minutes in watching this demo video to understand what exactly this software is capable of doing. Will this do miracles? I don't believe anything. Okay, anything is, for example, the job of this software is to create those business cards, websites, opt-in pages, landing pages, this and that. So software does the job, but who does the selling? It's you. You have to go after the client, talk to them about your services, what you're offering them, how can you help them to get some more clients, how can you help them to run some Facebook ads or some Google ads, or I don't know. man. So you have to go after the clients as a freelancer or as a as an agency, and if that client pays you, then only you make money, okay? And then you come and then maybe you use the software to go and get create those pages or for whatever this customer has paid you for, okay? So again, what's this here? Let's get to the bottom and see if we have any frequently asked questions and the pricing then. So this will cost you, I guess, $37 to start with. So in this agency personal license, starter license, you will have restrictions. In the professional, you will have more features. So go and get this professional for $37. And then we have the vendors, Ben Murray and Abhi Dwivedi. Both are in, I guess, maybe Barcelona, Spain. I don't know. No idea. What makes this different to AI? It's too much to read. What happens to 1.0 buyers? I don't know. Is there a money back guarantee? 14 days as usual. How many clients can I have in the software? Unlimited. Does it work on Windows and Mac? Yes. Is there training and support? It has to be there. Yes. Will the software will be updated regularly? Yes. You have more features than Jasper and blah blah. Yeah, blah blah. What if I don't want to run agency? Then you can use it for your own purposes. This do work on credits as well, so do have that in mind. Okay, right. All clear, right? No monthly fee, no more thing. But let's talk about some upgrades. So this is only for people who can go after the clients, close the deal, offer them the services, and then come and use the software and then make money. Okay, it's not for you if you don't know any of this. It's not for you if you don't know how to make money online. If you don't know how to go and get the clients and convince them and all that. Okay, so let's talk about the OTOs, which are right here. This is the professional. It will be 37. It's mistaken here. Okay, and then unlimited version is 97 yearly. They're saying. Downsell is 67 yearly, OTO2 is platinum 67, and this downsell is 37, OTO3 enterprise 127. Then we have downsell. Do we? We don't. Okay. For OTO3 we don't have a downsell. OTO4 is this agency reel 2 37. OTO5 agency rank real special 37. OTO6 is this, 7 is this. Yeah, bundle is this. Okay. Cool. So go and get this if you want to buy this for whatever reason. Okay, I will never buy anything from internet because I make money without even buying anything. Okay, let's be very honest. Honesty doesn't cost you money. Okay, but software, fine, you can go and pay for the software, get the software. How will you use the software to make money? I don't know. Maybe you neither. If you do know, then go and buy the software. You will find the link below and then make money. Stay happy, okay? But if you want to make money, and do watch the demo video on the sales page halfway through, and if you want to make money online, if your end goal is only, okay, there could be 1 million ways on the internet to make money online. Which would be the easiest way? Which would be the guaranteed way to make money online? Okay, if your end goal is only so that you can get some money in your bank account, then check out a couple of links below my YouTube video, which are hassle-free. Number one method, which is make money on autopilot with forex trading. It's a hassle-free method because in this method, you do not have to do anything. And I'll explain now. So this forex trading is like currency trading. You buy currency at low price. Here you see the graph. Buy low, sell high, 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 and you keep doing that, okay? If we do this manually, we'll go crazy. Our minds will go crazy, okay? We don't do this manually. We use a software. We give the settings to the software, and according to our settings, that software does all this on automation, okay? So if you come back here, click on the first link, come on this page, enter your email address, enter your name, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. Watch 2 videos there to understand what this thing is all about. Okay, so there are 2 videos, watch them, and you will figure out if you will, if you would like to get into this or not. The syndicate is on profit sharing basis, where you will be keeping 60% profits weekly. I will be keeping 40% profits weekly. Why I will be keeping? Because you do not have to do any of the things here, okay? You do not have to learn anything. I will be managing your account. I will be setting this virtual machine for you. I will be setting up the graph. I will be setting up the software. I'll be doing everything. I'll be managing your account. You will just go back, sit back, relax, sleep, and keep your 60% profits weekly. That's it, okay? Second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I'm doing right now. generate traffic, make YouTube reviews, make money on YouTube without selling anything, affiliate marketing, grow your email list. Okay, so in case you want to work manually on YouTube, then go and get Traffic Jarvis. But if you don't want to work at all and you still want to make money, then go for this first option. Okay, in the end, ClickAgencyA.I is good for people who are experienced and they know what they're doing, and they know they will get clients and they will make some money with the software. If you are into that category, go and buy this. You will find the links below. If you're a newbie, if you don't know what's going on here, then go and check out these couple of links below my video, and these will make you money with the guarantee. Okay, subscribe, like. In the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200. every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.